Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Context is key. Social media strategy in a noisy online world. Lecture 4. Choosing the right social media platforms. Understanding social media platforms. Different social media platforms and their audiences. Unique features and advantages of each platform. Selecting platforms that align with your target audience and objectives. Assessing resources and capabilities for effective platform management. Developing a cross-platform strategy for maximum impact. Conclusion. Social media platforms have become an integral part of our daily lives. From connecting with friends and family to promoting businesses, social media has revolutionized the way we communicate and interact with each other. It is important to understand social media platforms because they offer unique opportunities for businesses to reach their target audience and increase brand awareness. By understanding the different platforms and their audiences, businesses can tailor their marketing strategies and create content that resonates with their target market. Different social media platforms and their audiences. Social media platforms are not created equal. Each platform has its own unique features, advantages, and audience. Understanding these differences is crucial in crafting an effective social media strategy. For instance, Facebook is a great platform for reaching a broad audience, with users ranging from teenagers to senior citizens. Instagram, on the other hand, has a younger demographic, with most users between the ages of 18 and 29. Twitter is ideal for real-time conversations and breaking news updates, while LinkedIn is geared towards professionals and B2B marketing. Unique features and advantages of each platform. Each social media platform has its own unique features and advantages that can be leveraged for marketing purposes. For example, Instagram is known for its visual nature, making it a great platform for showcasing products through high-quality images and videos. Twitter, on the other hand, is ideal for engaging in real-time conversations with customers and sharing timely updates about your brand or industry. Facebook's extensive targeting options make it a powerful tool for reaching specific audiences with tailored messaging. LinkedIn is particularly useful for B2B marketing, allowing businesses to establish thought leadership and connect with other professionals in their industry. By understanding the unique features and advantages of each platform, marketers can develop more effective strategies and achieve better results. Selecting platforms that align with your target audience and objectives. When it comes to social media marketing, it's important to select the right platforms that align with your target audience and marketing objectives. This will ensure that you're reaching the right people with the right message, ultimately leading to better engagement and conversions. Select the right platforms. Start by identifying your target audience and their preferred social media channels. For example, if your target audience is primarily young adults, platforms like Instagram and Snapchat may be more effective than Facebook or LinkedIn. Next, consider your marketing objectives. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or drive sales? Different platforms have different strengths and weaknesses when it comes to achieving these goals. For example, Instagram may be more effective for increasing brand awareness through visual content, while LinkedIn may be better for generating leads through professional networking. Selecting platforms that align with your target audience and objectives. Finally, don't overlook the importance of platform-specific features and capabilities. For example, Twitter's real-time feed may be useful for engaging with customers and addressing concerns quickly, while YouTube's video capabilities may be more effective for showcasing product demos or tutorials. By taking a strategic approach to selecting social media platforms, you can maximize the impact of your marketing efforts and achieve your desired outcomes. Assessing resources and capabilities for effective platform management. Effective social media platform management requires a variety of resources and capabilities. One important resource is time. Managing multiple platforms can be time-consuming, so it's important to have dedicated staff or allocate enough time for platform management. Another key resource is knowledge. Understanding the nuances of each platform and staying up to date on changes and trends is crucial. Additionally, having access to design and content creation tools can help ensure that your posts are visually appealing and engaging. In terms of capabilities, effective communication skills are essential for managing social media platforms. This includes being able to write compelling copy, respond to comments and messages in a timely manner, and engage with followers in a positive way. It's also important to have analytical skills to track performance metrics and adjust strategies accordingly. Finally, having a solid understanding of your brand's values and messaging will help ensure that your social media presence is consistent and aligned with your overall marketing objectives. Developing a cross-platform strategy for maximum impact. When it comes to social media marketing, developing a cross-platform strategy can be incredibly beneficial. By utilizing multiple platforms, you can reach a wider audience and increase your overall impact. However, it's important to approach this strategy with careful planning and consideration. First, identify which platforms are most relevant to your target audience and marketing objectives. This will help you prioritize where to focus your efforts. Then, create a cohesive brand message that can be adapted across all platforms. This will ensure consistency and reinforce your brand identity. Finally, tailor your content to each platform, taking advantage of their unique features and advantages. For example, Instagram is great for visual content, while Twitter is better suited for short-form updates and news. Conclusion: choosing the right social media platforms is a critical element of a successful social media strategy. In today's digital landscape, there is a wide array of social media platforms catering to diverse audiences and content types. To make the most of social media marketing efforts, it is essential to carefully assess and select the platforms that align with your business objectives and target audience. A well-informed decision on social media platform selection requires a comprehensive understanding of your target audience's preferences, behaviors, and demographics. Different social media platforms attract distinct user demographics and engagement patterns. Researching and analyzing data about your audience can help identify which platforms they frequent and where they are most active. Each social media platform offers unique features and content formats, which can influence the type of content you create and share. For example, visually focused content may perform better on platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, while longer-form content may find its audience on platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn. Additionally, resource constraints and time management are essential factors to consider when choosing social media platforms. It is often better to have a strong and consistent presence on a few platforms rather than spreading thin across many. Prioritize platforms that align with your brand objectives and allow you to engage meaningfully with your target audience. Flexibility is key in the rapidly evolving landscape of social media. Regularly monitoring platform performance and audience behavior is crucial to identify emerging trends, shifts in user preferences, and potential new opportunities. It enables you to adjust your strategy accordingly and stay relevant in the dynamic social media environment. In conclusion, the process of choosing the right social media platform should be driven by data, audience insights, and a clear understanding of your social media marketing strategy. Maximize engagement and achieve long-term success in your digital marketing efforts.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.